So I just picked up both of these for 500 bucks in total. I got there, the guy agreed on 300 for the toolboxes only, not the stuff in the drawers. The son came out and wanted to keep all the hand tools. I'm like, all right, I'm fair. So I just saw this one drawer right here, and I asked him how much to include this, some Blue Point wrenches, gear wrench wrenches, and a couple Snap-on sockets. He told me 400 for the whole thing, and then I was like, to make you feel better, including this drawer, I was like, I'll just give you 5. So I gave him 200 extra bucks for these ratchets. Most of it's Blue Point in the back, and then all of this is just gear wrench. I don't know if I overpaid, but they were having a hard time letting it go, so I just gave them the extra 100 bucks. Told them I didn't want to screw them over. So I don't know if it was a good deal. I think it was. I'm planning on keeping this guy because I don't have a toolbox, and then I'm gonna go ahead and probably sell this one. And I also got these nut driver set. I don't think I'll keep these. I don't have a use for them, but I probably do have a use for these wrenches. I mean, I could sell them on eBay, but I don't know if I'm going to. Super cool though. They didn't want their dad's toolbox to go to waste, just go to a reseller. So I'm like, well, I'm gonna keep it. I need a toolbox in the shop, so I haven't had one yet, and it's the only Snap-on I can afford. So I'm gonna get these things apart and see how they look. The one thing it didn't come with was the key, but that's all right. I'm gonna go ahead and take all these out. I'm gonna keep these placement mats for now because I don't have anything else. I was thinking of just flipping them over, brand new on the other side. But I'm gonna take these out, vacuum everything up, wipe this off. Super big punches. These will come in handy. They're freaking heavy. These will come in handy on one of my clapped out Facebook Marketplace projects. Walmart box has served its purpose, but now getting upgraded to a Snap-on, baby. But when I bought this, I promised these people that I would keep it. I mean, I know I could make money off of it and sell it, but I gave them my word because it was their dad's and it was really hard for them to get rid of. So I promised I'd keep it and use it, and I'm going to. I know you can make money, but more importantly, I gave them my word that I would keep it, so I'm keeping it. And I want a box, and this thing's perfect. So cheap tools going in a nice box. I got this thing all filled out now. This is what I have. It's a Haas Posi Tools. It's not just mechanics tools. I don't do this full time, so just filling it with what I got. Oh, it's empty. Came out pretty good. This one still needs to be used. I mean, I don't know if I'm gonna keep it. It works great. It's got all sorts of stuff in here that I'm gonna keep, because I keep all this trinket crap. But I don't know. Should I sell it? Should I not? I have enough money here and with the wrenches to make my money back, so I basically got 2 free toolboxes and then some. So I am gonna sell the tools. I'm gonna keep these punches though. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm gonna get this cleaned up and still need to decide. I don't know, you think I should keep it or you think I should get rid of it? Just to show you what I was working with, I didn't have a toolbox. I had a Chromebook cart that they use, laptop cart they use in schools, so I switched it out for the toolbox, but it's all done and ready to go. Old Walmart's going bye-bye. Till the next one.